Hello everybody, today I want to show you a big guy in silver case, which is very beautiful. Look at it, very nice case. It's a Savonneton, a hunter case, in very good condition. It's a big watch. It has 56mm without the crown. Let's show you the dial. This is a Favre Brandt, very nice case. The dial, it's so beautiful. The hands too. Very nice one. Hope you see it very well, folks. This watch is a beauty. It's very big. It's a wonderful sensation when you hold it in your palm. Big guy, as I said before. Let's show you the movement. Here it says Favre Brandt Locle. Hope you see it. The same markings that are in the inner cover, the front cover. Favre Brandt Locle. Very nice pocket watch. Very nice indeed. Let me show you the movement, which is a beauty. Let me catch a good light. Oh, this is the movement, folks. Very nice one. Nice taking, slide regulator. Nice setting jewels. Very beautiful. Let me catch a good light to show it to you. Nice taking at this pocket watch. Hope you like it, folks. Very nice indeed. Yeah, maybe it's an IFA chef, I don't know for sure. I service it myself. And it's very fine, works very fine. Good amplitude, as you can see. Those ships are in hunger every time. Nice finish. Just look at it. How nice it spins. Very nice. Well, this is the watch for today, folks. I hope you like it. Hope you enjoy it. It's a very nice one, a big guy. It's sharp condition. I can say that. Very nice. Such a big watch in very fine condition. That's it, folks. This is the watch. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, write a comment, subscribe, tell me your thoughts, your opinions. I'll be very happy to read them. Hope you like this wonderful Favre Brandt pocket watch. Have a nice day. God bless you all and stay safe. Thank you.